Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 98 Clare Road. Now this is a very elegant feeling property, a beautiful period terraced home, and giving you a very large amount of open plan living space on the ground floor. 26-foot lounge with open fireplace, 3 double bedrooms, both upstairs bathroom and downstairs shower room. Beautifully presented throughout, and a westerly facing rear garden, so a lot to take in with this property today, and we're going to do our best to take it all in as we go throughout the property in today's video tour. So we've come straight through into the main entrance hallway space, and we're heading upstairs to take a look at the bedrooms. Now we're heading up and taking a left-hand turn. We're going to go down to the end of the corridor here and just go through into the first of the bedrooms. The first bedroom you'll see is a wonderful double-sized room. You've got a range of fitted wardrobes already in there as well, and as you come through the door you'll notice just how lovely and light and bright and airy this room is, with of course the bay window there to the front, so lots and lots of space to work with here in the first of the 3 bedrooms. Coming through now into bedroom number 2, again another really good sized double room. All 3 bedrooms here are double in size at number 98 Clare Road, so certainly no compromise there. So wonderful double sized room, this time with the view just across into the rear garden that we'll go through and take a look at a little bit later on, but plenty of space in there, not only for the double bed but for plenty of storage as well. Heading back down the corridor, we're going to head through and take a look at the main family bathroom. Of course, you've got the family bathroom up here on the first floor, as well as the shower room down on the ground floor with the WC as well. So lots and lots of space to work with here, beautifully presented with of course the bath and shower unit there, loo on the right hand side just behind us, and then of course the sink on the left hand side as well. And then we head through into the last of the 3 bedrooms, the 3 double rooms, this time with again that lovely big bay window to the rear just overlooking the back garden space. Plenty of room in here for a double bed and for plenty of storage as well. And that concludes the first floor of number 98 Clare Road. As we go downstairs, we've got a lot of space to look at. We've got a beautiful 26-foot lounge with fireplace, and then of course we've got the open plan kitchen, dining and family space to the rear with the access out onto the back garden. So we're going to head downstairs and go straight through into the lounge now. So here we are in the lounge, which opens through then to the kitchen and dining and family space to the rear, but for now a beautiful open space here, really elegant feel to it. As I said earlier on in the video tour, beautiful amounts of character throughout, really nicely updated and modernised just to give you that characterful feeling, but with of course none of the maintenance or upkeep. So a beautiful finish here, lovely big bay window to the front, and that fireplace there with the integrated shelving units and cupboards either side makes a really nice finishing touch. Just coming down through this space here, lots and lots of storage you can see with the fitted units on the right hand side, and then on the left hand side we've got the downstairs shower room, which does open up through to the loo area as well. So I'll leave you for a few moments. We're going to take this space in, we'll go back around the corner and through into the kitchen, dining and family space, and then we'll head through into the rear garden. So here we are coming through into the rear of the property, and you get a beautiful mixture here of a little bit of character and of course modern aesthetic here. Beautiful exposed brick wall there in the kitchen, really beautiful design. You can see there the access back through into the lounge and dining space, and then through in the kitchen here you can see a full range of fitted appliances here in this beautiful modern kitchen. Lots of light coming in through from the rear and also from the skylights as well. So a fantastic space here, perfect and beautiful, really nice to enjoy the afternoon here with friends and family. Now we're going to head into the rear garden in a few moments, and whilst we do that we're just going to recap a few points on the property. So this is number 98 Clare Road, a very elegant period terraced home giving you a huge amount of ground floor reception space. We've got 3 double bedrooms here and the main family bathroom as well as the downstairs shower room, beautifully presented throughout with that west facing rear garden. I'm sure you really enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.